Hello, trading is closed on February 12th, 2020. Let's go over our calls. We had a target of 33.69.21. Thought it might not work, but I wasn't certain the rally was over. It did work, and there was support under the target. Today we have a new lower target, and unless we gap up smartly, that's my call for tomorrow. And whereas yesterday I wasn't certain the high was in, now I'm not certain we have much further, if any, to go on this leg. Well, here's the MEJT sell signal. That doesn't cut the mustard. We have to go lower than that. MEJT says the rally is false, gives us this target. This was the wave count I had. Everything looked pretty good, but the FEBs don't really work with this new formation here today. Now we're still working under the assumption that someplace this wave B, red B, is going to end. Then we're going to have a wave red C down comparable to this red A, and then the rally resumes. So we have to find some other way to count this last leg. Well, the best I could come up with was to count this as an ending diagonal triangle. If that's true, you have a clear 5 waves up, and this wave E could have ended or could go a little bit higher. Doesn't change the count, but if that's true, the initial target is to undercut all of this wave 5, which puts us around 33.52, and the more plausible target for the end of this wave red C is to have a decline comparable in size to the one we had in wave red A, and I think that was a pretty sizable drop. Now, if we gap up smartly, as always, the idea is killed and the count's killed. But if that high holds, the initial target's here, and over the next few days to weeks, we could be significantly lower. So until the call's killed, this or a little bit higher is a candidate for the end of this leg. Here's my target for tomorrow, and if we don't gap up, we look for this and eventually a lot more, and that's today's call.